Artali ki kali kila sha thang dusmon kawai kadai jong Kamikhalia Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation but kawai pan ka jong unong shat jingshat ha ka all railways guest house ha ki riu shim kabu bamla ban ithu hine ka step kat kum ki khubor pulit layathu ba ka jingja ka baning kong kadai ha ka por kumba arsan pho min step hanong min song dong ka diang ha ka ba ya ka kali MIDFC balapen yang harut surak ka jingja ka baar kala jam ta ka janmit ha ka ba kawai ka kali alto kala sha thang ha ki riu shim kabu ha all railways guest house halaban nakalyang USP ka East KHASI Hills uba Vivek's aim ula ong ba ka shongsok shongsan kala long ka bayad ranti.
Law and order situation is slightly fluid after the incident which happened in Harrison Bridge, where a group of pressure group had actually gone there, and thereafter we've had 2 cases of arson. So considering these events, we can see it's a fallout of yesterday's incident and issue, and hence we have alerted all our units. We're strengthening patrolling, intensifying patrolling and all that, and all measures are being taken to ensure that there's peace and security.
Nongmynsong